Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited to show you my most worn jewelry pieces. If you want to see kind of my jewelry collection, but mostly what kind of jewelry pieces I wear on a daily basis, then let's get started. I guess we'll start off with the earrings because that is one of my favorite things to wear. Normally I wear the exact same earrings unless I'm going out to some specific place like a fancy dinner. I have one piercing on this ear and two piercings here. Back in the day I used to have more piercings. I had one here, I had a helix, and then I had two over here. The main earrings are these ones that I absolutely love. These are diamond golden earrings that my mom gave me, which I'm so thankful and grateful for. This second hole right here is also a diamond. I'm not sure what are the carats for these and how big they are or whatnot, but I just know that they're golden diamonds. That's all I really care about. But yeah, this one I never ever take out. The main ones I change out occasionally. Most 99% of the time I will just have this on. The next thing that I always wear are my necklaces. So I actually have like this necklace that I usually want to show, and then under my clothes I have this two necklaces or two charms in one necklace that I don't want to show. So this one that I'm hiding from people is my cross, and this cross has some stones in there like amethyst and rubies and stuff like that. Again, I'm not really sure what they are exactly, but my mom also got this for me. And then next to that is a little moon and a heart that my husband got for me back when we just started dating. It was his little present, and on the back of that it says love you to the moon and back. This is very sweet, and also I've been wearing this every single day. I never take these off. 99.5% of the time I have these on under my clothes because they're just near dear to my heart. And then this necklace is the one that I recently got. This is from Van Cleef, and this is their mother of pearl clover shaped necklace. I love this one so much. It is very dainty and it's good to just wear by itself or layer with other necklaces. I love people who layer their necklaces. I just don't have enough necklaces to actually do that, but I really want to start doing that soon. But I think that this necklace specifically is so girly and dainty that just having it on like this is already enough. And plus it goes with everything, whether you're wearing a business casual outfit or like a sweatshirt, it still goes with a lot of clothes. The next piece that I always have on is this bracelet. My mom also gave this to me. This is just a solid gold chain, and what's good about quality golden pieces or quality silver pieces is that you don't have to worry about showering or anything like that. Now on my left hand or my left arm, I always, not always, but every day since I got this, I've been wearing this watch, and this watch is from the brand CNC Luxury, from a YouTuber that I love. Her name is Tony Dallas. This is their 28mm presidential watch with mother of pearl face, and it's gold and silver. It is very affordable. It's around $200, less than $200, so you don't have to spend a lot of money on it, and it does look very nice. I love that it has silver and gold because I wear both silver and gold jewelry, so this goes well with that. And of course the mother of pearl face is just stunning, very feminine. I think this is a beautiful piece to have. So if you were looking for an affordable watch that's very good quality, and I really recommend CNC. It's not sponsored, obviously, just my personal opinion as a person who bought this watch. Now let's talk about the rings. I change up my rings all the time, but the only rings that I wear no matter what are of course my engagement ring and my wedding band. So I talked about my engagement ring before. It's an Alice in Wonderland inspired ring. It has a white rabbit here, some roses, some petals, a most amazing beautiful ring that my hubby purchased for me. This is my #1 treasured piece. Of course, he knows how much I love Alice in Wonderland, so this is just perfect. And then under that I have the wedding band. We bought this one at Shane Company. It's very beautiful, dainty golden band with diamonds on it. It's not just a regular golden band, but it's a little more intricate than that. So these are the two rings that I wear no matter what, when, and other ones I usually change up. So this ring right here, super pretty, and I think it goes well with a lot of other rings if you like to, again, mix and combine. And then this ring, I got this from AliExpress. That's basically all of the stuff that I wear all of the time. And now let me show you some other pieces that I do also wear quite often. The only other necklace that I do wear quite often is this necklace from Dior. This is just their golden necklace that says CD on it for Christian Dior, and it's kind of like a choker. So it would look something like this. I do like this, but I feel like it doesn't really go with a lot of stuff that I have just because it is a little bit chunky, but I still like this one a lot. And of course, I think this is a very popular necklace that a lot of people have. Now for earrings, I used to wear these earrings a lot. My mom also gave these to me before she gave me these. So these are the ones that I was wearing 99% of the time before I got these. So these are also gold and diamond earrings. Very nice and very pretty, but of course I prefer these ones 1,000,000 times more. So another pair of earrings that I love wearing a lot is my precious Dior pearl earrings. Tiny little pearl is kind of like a stud, and it goes in the front of your ear, and then this big pearl with the dangly Dior letters are in the back. So it just looks very interesting, and these are so pretty and so comfortable to wear. Of course, I love Dior jewelry, so this is something that I'm really happy that I have. It's so feminine and classy, and it still has some fun moments because the Dior logo is like dangly. So these are all of the earrings that I wear on a daily basis. Again, I don't really switch up that often just because I have those pieces that I really like. And as for rings, this ring right here, which also I received from my mom, I'm so thankful. This is another gold and diamond piece, and I actually remember she used to wear this a lot when I was a child, and I would always want this. And then finally she gave this to me. I think when I was 18 years old she gave this to me, and I was so beyond happy because it's again a very dainty, simple kind of design with this flower. Another ring that I also really like to wear when I'm going for silver is this ring that I received as a gift from my husband, but at the time he was a boyfriend. It's the silver piece with these green leaves. Recently I do wear more gold than silver, so I don't grab this as much, but if I do go for silver, this is what I would wear. I also have this little pearl ring on an elastic that I got from AliExpress, and it's very fun to wear. I think it's quite girly and feminine as well, so that is something I wear sometimes. And similar to that, I usually pair the pearl one together with this one, which goes perfectly on my pinky, and it's this little dangly pearl little ring. So you can even do something like this, have the pearl one and then this dangly pearl one right next to each other. So this is also from AliExpress. These rings are like $2–3, so very cheap, but they're a good quality. And this one is super fun. I always wanted like a dangly ring, so when I'm going for something a little more fun, this is what I would wear. And then the rest of the rings that I have, I did show in my previous jewelry collection, so you can see that there. I have stuff like this. For example, I have this cinnamon roll earrings, or like I also have these very cute My Melody earrings with the strawberry. So I do have these things. It's just that now I don't know how I would really wear that, even though these are really cute. So I actually might wear these like in the summertime because I love My Melody. I still love all that stuff. I have this like very cute pearl little choker that has a My Melody charm on it as well. So it is very cute and kawaii and everything like that. But yeah, that's just not something that I gravitate to the most. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you think about my jewelry collection and the jewelry pieces that I wear. And I would love to hear you guys' comments about your favorite pieces. If you have any recommendations or anything like that, please let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!